Do you want to pull feet in from a busy sidewalk? Do you want to increase traffic on that sidewalk? Do you want to increase engagement with an in-store experience? Do you want to draw attention to one of your best products that people haven't discovered yet? Do you want to promote a special event, a workshop, a launch? Hey friends, I'm Tony. I'm here to help you bring foot traffic to your small business brick and mortar store. QR codes. You've seen them, you've scanned them, you've used them, but are you using them for the fullest potential for your business? Let's talk about how businesses all over have really done this effectively. A QR code is a simple, fast, easy way to direct traffic to a landing page. That landing page can be a video. That landing page can be your website. That landing page can be a sales page. It can be an event, anything that you want to direct traffic to, a QR code can do, and easy for everyone. You can unlock special discounts. You can RSVP for special events. You can have your clients play interactive games. The possibilities are endless. So let's build business, grow your foot traffic, and fuel success. That will make your customers eager to step inside or click buy. Step one is set clear goals. Before you make and plaster your QR code everywhere, what do you want it to do? Do you want it to drive traffic to your website? Do you want it to drive feet to your door with a time-sensitive offer? Do you want to pull feet in from a busy sidewalk? Do you want to increase engagement with an in-store experience? Do you want to draw attention to one of your best products that people haven't discovered yet? Do you want to promote a special event, a workshop, a launch, a pop-up? Now, step two is here's some campaign ideas that will drive traffic that are perfect to implement with QR codes. Limited time discount, for example, 15% off today. This is great to share on social media. This is great if you have a busy sidewalk to have the QR code with this put right in your window to draw in those people. You can try one out for free. I'll put a link in the description below. And making physical flyers and posters for this, between $5 to $20. A very inexpensive ad campaign. People love a deal, and the ticking clock adds the urgency you need to drive that along. Another thing you can do is a treasure hunt inside the store. Now this is a great way to introduce new products or products you've had that just have not been selling as well as you really think they deserve. Let's help people find them, make it fun. One way to implement this is hide QR codes around the store, especially around the items that you really want to highlight. They find the first QR code, maybe at the entrance to the store. Gives them a clue to where they might find the next one. Each QR code leads them to the next. Pair it with a prize at the end. Something you think your customers will value. It doesn't have to be expensive, it just has to be something of value. Now you can promote this to get it started on your social media. Like I said, be sure to put something at your front door. Again, flyers and posters actually are a real good physical means to add to the social media. And try contacting your local news outlet. They're always looking for feel-good stories for filler when they have a slow news day. You might just get lucky and get some great free advertising. Now one way to build upon this is the first one may be slow, but anything that you do repeatedly builds excitement as more and more people learn about it. Change a scavenger hunt every week. Change it every month. And if you make it a regular event, it'll really do well if you partner it with another event or in collaborative events. At the end, there's a link to a video on collaborative events that you are not going to miss. Now, why does this work? It increases the time that a customer spends in your store. It also gets every single customer or client that walks through your door, gets them familiar with your store, gets them familiar with you, gets them familiar with your products. Now this is not just limited to a product retail sales. This can also work in a consultative business like an attorney or a bookkeeper. So then what the QR codes will lead to is different aspects of your business and introduce them to different people in your business. Walk in your door, one from the door takes them in and has them meet the different employees, have them, instead of being products that you're highlighting, these are some of your team members that you're highlighting. You can highlight different services that you offer. Let's say you're a landscaper. You can highlight spring cleanup. If you do Christmas decorations in the winter, highlight that service that you have. If you deliver mulch, you can highlight that service that you have. So there are so many different ways to implement this, so it's going to fit your business. A third thing you can do is VIP events. Now, everyone loves to be a VIP, and every single one of your customers deserves to be a VIP. Now, the parameters you put on who's a VIP, that's up to you. VIP can be people have only visited your store once, so they're a very important person, you want them to come again. Your VIP can be your top 10% of your buying customers. A VIP can be someone who has had you come do their spring planting for the past 5 years or more. A VIP can be someone who hasn't used you yet, but is new to town. Sky's the limit on this. Now, VIPs are great to use for when you're launching a new product, whether it be a new service or a new actual physical item. So they're going to be able to get in on the buzz. They're going to be in the know and one of the first ones to experience this. This works very well, especially for high-end services, items that there's a buzz about. Get a wait list started. Get this VIP event exclusive. They need an invite to be able to come and make it a big deal, but also make it exclusive so people get that FOMO. The exclusivity makes a huge difference. Create that buzz. QR codes can also be used for loyalty programs. Now, we've all heard of loyalty programs and we've all had them. Let's incorporate the QR codes into it to make it much more interactive. Put a QR code for them to scan when they walk in the store. Another one at some of your high-profile items or high-profile services that you want to highlight. Another one at the register when they check out. Whatever rhythm you'd like to see from your customers is how often they can add these points. And when they get to a certain point, it unlocks rewards. Now, that reward can be an interactive game from you. That reward can be a discount. That reward can be an invitation to the next VIP event. That reward can be a free ticket to your next workshop. Can be they can come in and have you sing a special song to them. Whatever you choose. Whatever works for your business and works in your branding. Maybe that reward is you giving them a shout out on your social media. Everyone likes their 15 minutes of fame. You can also make exclusive content available with the QR codes, whether that be from workshops to behind the scenes plans for what to expect next year, just something exclusive. Again, it could be your team doing a TikTok dance, some exclusive content that they're going to want to see, whether it be fun or whether it be valuable. Hey, fun is valuable. The third most important thing to do with the QR codes is track your success. You need to know if your campaign is working, because if it's not, you need to pivot. And if it is, that's fantastic and you know that it's working. Now, the great thing is QR codes are easily trackable. I have another link in the description below. You can click it to find out how to make it trackable and get all of the analytics from that. Data is power. Now, from this trackability, you also have the fourth and most important step, cost versus ROI. You want to know what your return on investment is. And with QR codes being so affordable, the return on investment is usually fantastic. Now, you are going to incur the cost of the rewards at the end, so you have to count those in. Grab a spreadsheet, get it set up with the expenses to get it set up, what your sales were before, track the clicks on your QR codes, what sales were like after. Keep an eye on it and see how effective it is. Again, if it's working great, wonderful. If it's not hitting the mark, you can pivot very, very quickly with this and very inexpensively with this so you can hit that mark. Make a huge difference in your sales. To use these QR codes to promote collaborative events and to really add rocket fuel to your business, watch this video next about collaborations in small business. You are not going to want to miss this. Till next time.